Now it's working. It said just a little bit a while ago that it don't work. So welcome everybody. I'm your captain today. I'm going to show you how to land on the San Diego Carrier recovery. Sorry, I didn't read. I just looked it a bit wrong. Hey, whoa. Uh, so I haven't really done this before, but I think how hard can it be? Is just to put the aircraft on the boat, you know. So where is the boat? Is that the boat? Can I look like? Yeah, it's the boat. How hard can it be? I think. What menu move? Can I click here? Ooh. Come. So yeah, we're gonna go a bit faster because it's a bit boring just to sit there to wait. Ja men jävlar. Well, oh, roopidoo. Now we're gonna turn against the boat, and I can't really see the stuff because I have. I think I'm a bit too high. Well, it's a bit råkig den här lilla jäveln. Yeah, I think this is not going to work. Yes, I'm low, I know, but I can't fucking...
Wave off, wave off!
Everybody can forget what they just saw. To my... Yeah, it's pulling up. To my for defense, I have a yoke, not a stick. So, because you can clearly see here, this should be a stick. Let's rain. Oh, no, oh no, I did the thing again where I moved the... I think... Sablar. Maybe we cut that one out. But I want to hide this thing. I don't know Windows very... I update watch. So now it works. Now I can fly for real. So, as you maybe have heard me say a couple of times, this is Thurebure. I'm gonna be your captain on this FA-18 Hornet, I think. I don't know, but I think that's what I said. Why is it so fucking... I have done something, because when I release, so we trim it down a bit. I can't anymore. I think that is weird. So... Ah, the boat is moving. Okay. That makes it a little bit harder. And yeah, I overcorrected as per usual. So we... oh, look at this positioning. And now we're gonna...
You're high.
No, I'm not high. I'm a little bit just... No, not like that, like on the flying. Now we turn off the engine. We go down. And we pull up, down.
Alter.
Fuck. Yeah, but it was very close. We give it one more try. I just need to figure out what is wrong with my stuff. No, we have this time to try. Now, yeah, I don't have any speed. So So is it going to rise now? Yes, because this is the right way, I think. Am I going straight through? Ah, is that? Still a little bit high on the air, not anything other than that. Come on, guys, don't do that. It's very fucking hard. And kill the engines.
You're high.
Yeah, yes, I know, but I'm going down now. And we're going in fast, and now we're going. How
Wave off.
am I supposed to do this? Yeah, we don't do this anymore. Thank you for watching me trying, and I will see you in the next time when I learn how to do it. Goodbye.